Hey everyone, I'm here to delve into a riveting development in Zimbabwe's political landscape that's capturing international attention. Just recently, the International Parliamentary Union, or IPU, a global powerhouse advocating for parliamentary diplomacy and democracy, stepped into a high-stakes drama involving the fate of several opposition MPs in Zimbabwe. These MPs, aligned with the charismatic leader Nelson Chamisa and his Citizens' Coalition for Change, were controversially dismissed from Parliament. But why does this matter? Well, the actions taken against these MPs weren't just a local issue. They sparked a massive outcry over the suppression of democratic voices and the misuse of political power. The IPU's involvement has turned this into an international spectacle, scrutinizing the integrity of Zimbabwe's parliamentary procedures. Here's where it gets interesting. The IPU conducted an exhaustive investigation and found significant discrepancies. They criticized the recalls as a breach of democratic principles like representation and freedom of expression. They particularly pointed out the questionable authority of Sengezo Chabangu, who played a pivotal role in the dismissal. His actions, dubious and lacking proper verification, this isn't just a slap on the wrist. With the IPU's findings now public, there's a powerful push to reinstate these MPs and restore democratic norms in Zimbabwe. Advocates for democracy in the country are now emboldened, armed with the backing of an influential international body. They're not just fighting for the reinstated MPs, but for the principle of fair political play. That the stakes are high. If the IPU's recommendations are implemented, it could mean a significant shift towards transparency and fairness in Zimbabwe's political processes. This could be a turning point, not just for the MPs involved, but for the entire nation's democratic journey. So what's next? The world is watching. The pressure is mounting on Zimbabwe's parliamentary authorities to align their actions with international democratic standards. The outcome of this battle could send ripples across the globe, influencing how other nations handle political dissent and opposition. Thanks for tuning in. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's see how this pivotal story unfolds in the world of politics.